Making a custom mockup in Canva is really simple. You don't need a special programs or skills. I think creating a custom mockup is a great way to stand out on marketplaces like Etsy, where many similar mockups exist and sellers try to convince buyer their product is the best. And in Canva, with their latest feature, it's easy to do. Just follow a few easy steps to create a mockup that looks cool and saves time. So let's get started. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Pick a size that works for what you are making. If you are doing a t-shirt, poster or phone case, choose a size that fits. If you are not sure, click Custom Size and type 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now, upload the photo you want to use. This could be a blank t-shirt, an empty poster frame, or a plain notebook. Click Uploads on the side. Then click Upload Files. Find your photo on your computer and upload it. Drag your photo onto the canvas. You can make it bigger or smaller or move it around. Try to fill the space so it looks nice. And here is the fun part. Click on your photo to select it. Then click Edit Photo at the top toolbar. Scroll down to the App section and look for Mockup. Once you found it, click on the app. While you can take a look at all the different mockups this app has for you, what you need is to create a mockup template feature. This is a way you can generate a custom mockup from the photo you have uploaded. But it is a paid feature, so it is available only for people who have any of the Canva paid plans. With this information in the mind, click on the Create a Mockup template and wait few seconds. Then the tool gives you multiple images to choose from. Select the one that fits your needs and then click on Confirm. Now, your photo is a mockup and you can easily insert your image into that template. So easy it is. When you are done, click Share at the top right, then click Download. Pick the file type you want. PNG is good for clear pictures. JPEG is good if you want a smaller file. Now check the quality settings before you download. Pick the best quality if you are printing or sharing online. This method is easy because you use Canva's own tools. You don't have to switch apps or learn hard programs. Everything is in a Canva. Plus, Canva's mockup tool does most of the work. Lots of people think they need Photoshop or expensive tools to make mockups, but Canva shows you don't. With just a few clicks, you can make a clean, pro-looking mockup. So, I hope you found this simple video tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will do my best to reply.